guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about very hyped up fragrance currently on YouTube here. It is Amouage Guidance. Guys, I'm in love. And if you want to know my opinion about Guidance, please keep on watching. My name is Justina. This is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. So, Amouage Guidance is the fragrance that gave me fever, that gave me shivers, that gave me chills, that gave me roller coaster of emotions, basically, from the first day. From the day I tested it, I couldn't, banish it from my head. And now, I have it here with me. And this is the truth behind the hype for me. If you love it, you are going to love it. And I said what I said, yeah, not very clever or anything, but I'm speechless when it comes to this fragrance. If you fall in love with this fragrance, you are going to love it, you are going to crave it, you are going to want it, and you will have to buy it eventually. It didn't take that long for me because I couldn't get it out of my head. And I was telling my husband, oh, I want a Guidance, this and that. I absolutely love this fragrance. I need it. I want it. I crave it. I want it, And he just was looking at me and he said like, just buy it, because you won't be able to stop rambling about it. And yeah, for me, the hype is real and the packaging here. It's very artsy. I absolutely love this artwork here. You can feel quality, you can feel the heart put into it. And I must tell you, this is the first fragrance that is that expensive in my collection. I usually tend to be more careful. I usually do not want to spend that amount of money. For me, it's absolutely crazy. But I really did fall in love with this fragrance. And I thought to myself, if I can, I will just buy it. And I did it. And I'm so happy. So this is the packaging. Absolutely amazing. I won't get rid of it because I absolutely love the artwork. Here you have the box. You have flowers here. This is a texture you can touch. Absolutely amazing. Here you have the sign, the gift of kings. So absolutely regal presentation. And this is the packaging. And inside we have the queen. Guys, I'm so happy about this fragrance. Cannot get over it. Cannot get over how beautiful this bottle is. And I feel I didn't have all of those emotions for such a long time, when it comes to the fragrance. So beautiful. I must tell you, I was sold the moment I saw the bottle. I didn't even know the fragrance, but the bottle has the most stunning, like blush pink color. Along with those beige details. Absolutely, I'm in love. I don't know, I just absolutely love the combination. I love the color, I love the golden details. So beautiful. I cannot, describe this bottle other than very beautiful, expensive feeling, regal feeling, queen feeling, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if I make any sense, but I'm totally in love with this fragrance. And I got the sample, I saw the bottle. Maybe let's start this way. I saw the bottle on YouTube and I started to be curious because I really liked the fragrance. The bottle. And I was, thinking, how does it smell? I'm very curious, but I didn't have a sample then. But my lovely viewer sent over a few samples to me. And amongst those samples, I had Guidance from Amouage. So I, jumped up and sprayed myself because I was very curious. And it was okay at first. Okay, the fragrance is very nice, but is it worth the price? I'm not really sure. And then I was going with my husband for a long weekend outside of the town. And I took this sample with me. And I got it a full wear, I had this full wear experience and it lasted all day on me with very large projection. I could smell it as just I was spraying it, in the air around me all the time. And that's what I appreciate in perfume, especially when I'm going out and I do not have the possibility, to respray. That is what I want from perfume, especially when there is a special occasion or something like that. And this one gives me this effect. So that was a thumbs up. And when I was, walking around, smelling Guidance, getting to know the DNA, I started to like it more and more. And then, next day I used other perfume, but I still couldn't get over how Guidance, make an impression on me, how I still remember the scent, and how I still want to smell it, and I started to think about it, search for the videos, more videos about Guidance, spraying my sample just a little bit because, it was almost finished. And I thought to myself, no, I need to buy this. I need to buy this. This one, I must tell you, honestly, it gave me the emotion that Coco Mademoiselle gives me. And this is the only perfume, I think, in my collection, one of few perfumes that makes me feel so unique, that makes such an impression on me. After all of these years, I feel very, very special when I wear it. When I was buying my first big bottle of Coco Mademoiselle, I was just shaking with joy. And the same happened with Guidance. I do not know, guys, but this is another holy grail perfume in my collection. And don't get me wrong, I have many wonderful fragrances, niche, not niche, cheap. I love all of my fragrances. However, this one is such a unique scent that I cannot describe it. It gives you the shivers. If you like it, you will have shivers. So what do we have in here? It was released in 2023, so this year, and the creator behind this fragrance is Quentin Biche. So hands down, one of my favorite perfumer at the moment. And what do we have in the Guidance? In the head notes, in the top notes, we have pear, we have hazelnut, we have olibanum. In the heart, we have osmanthus, rose, saffron, jasmine, and in the base, we have sandalwood, vanilla, akigala wood, ambergris, and labdanum. And basically, what I just told you, it won't be, it won't facilitate any thoughts about this fragrance, You are not able to imagine how it smells until you know it. That's what I wanted to say. I have it sprayed here because previously I was recording in Polish about Guidance. Oh my God, guys, I can feel a slight pear, but it's not like obvious pear. It's not like obvious rose, It's not like your Delina rose. It is not similar to Delina in any case, at least for me. Oh, this saffron, it gives this texture, Hazelnut, it gives the creaminess. For some people, hazelnut, I think, may come across as nauseous. For many people, this fragrance is creating nauseous effect, nausea. So you need to test it out before, of course, you buy. Do not blind buy this fragrance because there are many, many people who hate the fragrance, absolutely hate guts this fragrance. So you cannot buy it blindly. Test it first, wear your sample, see where you're at with all the experience and then decide to buy it. But oh my God, I do not regret any single penny, to be honest, spent on this fragrance. Oh my God, absolutely. You can feel this pear, vanilla combined together, akigala wood, which I absolutely love as a note. It gives projection. It gives the kick to the fragrance. It gives this pepperiness. And it's slightly different depending on the day, When I was wearing it, when I was out with my husband, it was slightly more peppery for me, especially akigala wood was more prominent. Now, when I wear it, it's more creamy, it's more sweet. I can detect more vanilla. It is absolutely olfactory journey that this fragrance takes you on. So good. And you have olibanum here, but you may think it's like incensey, maybe it will be churchy, or what is the deal with this fragrance? It is not churchy at all for me. Maybe it has this slight smokiness, but I can barely detect it. Ambergris gives this saltiness to this fragrance. So you have like the salted pear, vanilla. Oh, this is so unique. This is so complex as well. And the lasting power, as I said, the projection, the scent bubble is just enormous. Basically, you need 2 sprays, 1 spray, and you're good to go. Of course, when you have like special occasion, you can go heavier on the trigger, but I think 4 or 5 are max. Of course, given that you're not nauseous when it comes to the fragrance, this is a beast mode fragrance, so you need to be prepared for it. You need to, test it with caution. But as I said, if you love it, if you are going to love it, you will be obsessed. And I am obsessed. It is clingy. It clings to your clothes, your hair, everything you touch will be, scented with Guidance, and for days. I mean, really for days. And that's the quality I'm searching for in a perfume. So price is very steep. Price is hefty, price is hefty, and it's like, I'm outraged. It's outrageous, basically. But I do not regret it. It is so good. And I must tell you, if I would be getting married one more time, it would be my bridal scent for sure. It is for a queen, it is regal, it is amazing. And if you know Sharida, if she watches me, hello. Thanks to you, I got to hear about Guidance. Then I started to watch other people, and here we are. I'm here with Guidance, and I'm totally obsessed, guys. I cannot tell you, my heart is racing and I have like goosebumps when I'm talking about this fragrance. It's absolutely amazing. And some people are saying that, oh, those YouTubers, they are praising Guidance, for sure there are paid opinions, blah, blah, blah. First of all, I bought it with my own money, and as I told you before, I never buy such a expensive fragrance. I never bought anything that expensive when it comes to the fragrance in my life, so it has to mean something, I wouldn't buy it if I wouldn't love it. I need to absolutely love the fragrance to be, able just to spend this amount of money. So take into consideration that everyone has a different skin chemistry on everyone. The fragrances pull differently. So you need to take this into the consideration, buying the fragrance, testing the fragrance. Not everyone will get the same experience. So if Guidance is not a good experience for you, that's completely fine. We are not the same and we won't be the same. So that's completely fine. But if it works, it just works. And it worked with me. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't be liking it so much, maybe I would rather not like it so much, but I do have my bottle, absolutely love it. So beautiful, stunning, absolutely love, 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 love. For me, the hype is real. Let me know what are your opinions about Guidance. Have you tested it? I know I won't be able to shut up about this fragrance for a very, very long time now on my channel. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, and it's unisex for me, actually. Maybe leaning slightly feminine. However, remember, everyone's skin is different, so if you were to apply it on the men, it will pull completely differently, so you need to test it out on yourself. So yeah, that was Guidance. Let me know if you know the fragrance, what is your experience? Do you like it? You didn't like it? Let me know. I'm so happy to have my bottle. I absolutely adore it. So thank you very much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.